In this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable reader mode in Google Chrome quickly and easily. Reader mode is perfect when you want a clean, distraction-free reading experience without ads, sidebars, or extra clutter getting in the way. It makes long articles much easier to read, especially on busy websites. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Chrome tips and tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and go to any web page or article that you want to read. This can be a news story, blog post, research page, or any article with a lot of text. Once the page loads, look at the text on the page and right-click anywhere on it. When the menu appears, choose Open in Reading Mode. Chrome will then switch into Reader Mode and open a simplified version of the page. Depending on your browser version, this may appear as an immersive reading view or in a side panel. Either way, the page will now be much cleaner, with the main text highlighted and unnecessary distractions removed. If you don't see the right-click option, there is another way to turn it on. Click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome to open the menu. From there, hover over More Tools and then select Reading Mode. This will also activate the simplified reading view for the current page. Now that Reader Mode is enabled, you can read the content more comfortably without all the extra clutter. This is especially useful if you want to focus on the article, copy information, or just make reading easier on your eyes. If you want to disable Reader Mode, it only takes a second. Look at the top right corner of the Reader Mode interface and click the close button marked with an X. As soon as you do that, Chrome will return you to the normal web page view. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to enable Reader Mode in Google Chrome and how to turn it off whenever you want. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference when you're reading online. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.